Hi guys, my name is Ruti and in this video I will show you how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking with enhanced conversion for Shopify store. And for this tutorial we are going to use customer event for now because Shopify is now pushing extensibility checkout, and there you need to use customer event in order to set up any conversion action, I mean any pixel code. Okay, so we need to do that, and for this video I'm going to use Google Tag Manager for setting up my Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, so first of all we need to create a new conversion action under our Google Ads account. So first of all, open your Google Ad account and go to tools and settings, then conversions. Okay, then you will land on this page. So here you need to click on new conversion action and choose website. Then here you need to put your website URL, then hit scan and scroll down and click here, add a conversion action manually. Okay, now you need to choose purchase, and here you can use whether you want to set it for primary or secondary. Then you need to put your conversion level, sorry, conversion name. Okay, purchase, and for the value will come dynamically, and for that we need to use different values for each conversions. Okay, and just scroll down and set your conversion, click through windows, engage view through window, whatever you want, and then click on done. Okay, then save and continue. Okay, so now we are going to use Google Tag Manager for this. So you will get your conversion ID and conversion label. So this is our conversion label. So we're gonna use these two. So first of all, we need to set up our custom pixel for that. So here you need to open your website admin panel, Shopify admin, then go to settings, and here you will see a new option called customer event. Then after you need to create a new custom pixel. Okay, add a custom pixel, name it, I'm gonna name it GTM cats. Okay, then our pixel. Now it will give you a code box. Here you can remove all these demo code, and for this I have created a code for you guys. You just go ahead and copy the entire code. Before that you just need to replace your GTM container ID with this. So you can find your GTM container ID from your dashboard itself. So it will like GTM, then hyphen and some character and number. So just copy your container ID and paste it here. Then you can copy the entire code and go to your Shopify admin, and in the code area just paste it and save it. That's it. And after that you need to connect it in order to get connect with your theme. So connect. Okay, so pixel is now connected. Now we are ready to create our conversion tag. Okay, so head over to Google Tag Manager again and go to tags and create a new tag. Just name it as purchase, and from here you need to use Google Ads conversion quadrant. Okay, and here you need to enter your conversion ID and conversion label. So this is my conversion ID, just copy it and paste it here, and same for conversion label. Okay, so I've entered my conversion ID and conversion label. For conversion value, transaction ID, and currency code, these three will come dynamically because for each and every e-commerce purchase, value is dynamic, transaction ID is also dynamic, currency code can be dynamic if you are using a multi-currency store. So in that case you can put the dynamic value for currency as well. So in this video I'm going to create a dynamic variable for each and every stuff here: conversion value, transaction ID, and currency code. So first of all, for conversion value, to create a dynamic variable you need to click on this symbol. Okay, now click on the plus icon to create a new variable. Okay, now from here you need to use data layer variable. Okay, for the variable, enter the exact word that I am gonna type here. So yeah, so here you need to enter smrt, then dot, then value, smrt dot value, because the code is created in such a way that you need to put the exact character here. Unless if you miss anything it won't work. Okay, so then you can save it. Then for transaction ID you need to do this same process. Create a new variable. For the variable, just name it. Okay, now choose data layer variable, and here you need to put the exact character as well, smrt dot tid. Okay, then save it. And for currency code you need to follow the same process as well. Okay, choose data layer variable, and here you need to put the exact word, smrt dot currency, smrt dot currency. Okay, save it. Perfect. Now it's time to pass the enhanced conversion variable. To do that you can find this one: include user provided data from your website. Just check mark it and it will open up a drop down here, and from the drop down you need to create a new variable. Okay, just click on variable, new variable. So here you need to create an user provided data which is called as enhanced conversion variable. So it will ask you to put your dynamic email, customer email, customer phone number, customer first name, last name, street, city, region, country, postal code. So we're going to cover each and every thing one by one. So first of all, for email. Okay, so for email, we're going to create a new variable because it's again a dynamic value for email. And again, you need to choose data layer variable, and from here you need to put the exact character, smrt dot email. Okay, smrt dot email. Save it. And for phone number, you need to follow the same process. Just name it. Okay, choose detail variable, and here put the exact character smrt dot phone, smrt dot phone. Okay, save it. Okay, so for enhanced conversion, email is kind of mandatory, and if you have phone number in place of email, you can pass that too. These are kind of optional, but I'll show you how you can do that as well. But email is mandatory for enhanced conversion. Okay, so now pass our first name and last name, all the stops. So for first name, I'll choose new variable and name it detailed variable and put the exact character here as it is. smrt dot fname. Okay, okay, let me spell it. Yep, smrt dot fname. Okay, save it. Same for last name, data layer variable for the exact word here, smrt dot lname. Okay, then for street, again we need to create a new variable, smrt dot street. So always follow the exact character for data variable name, unless it won't work. Okay, save it. And for city, new variable, data layer, smrt dot city. Okay, then for region, put the exact character sorry smrt dot region. Okay, smrt dot region, save it. And for country, choose a new variable, country, and data variable, put the exact character here, smrt dot country, save it. And for postal code, we'll name it chip, and choose data variable and put the exact word here, smrt dot zip. Okay, that's it. Save it and save it. Save the user provided data. You can name it. I will name it user provided data as it is, and save it. Okay. And now it's time to create a trigger for our conversion tracking code. Okay. So click here for triggering and click on the plus icon to create a new trigger. Just name it and click here, and from here you need to choose custom event. Okay, and for the custom event you need to put the exact name that I'm going to put here. Okay, exact name, exact character you need to follow. Okay, so here you need to put ce underscore purchase, ce underscore purchase. You need to put the exact name and save it. Oh, save it and save the entire tag now, and you can submit the container. Publish it. I'm gonna skip it. Okay, so for now we have created our conversion tracking code, I mean tag successfully. Now we need to set up our enhanced conversion inside our Google Ad dashboard. So go to your Google Ad dashboard and click on Done, and you find your purchase conversion action here. Just open it and scroll down. You will find enhanced conversions. Open it and check mark the box down on enhanced conversion, and here use Google tag or tag manager and click on next. Put your website URL. I'm gonna copy from here, paste it here, check the URL, and because my website is not published yet, so it will throw some error, but in our case it won't. Then then if after you check, it will redirect to this page directly, and from here you need to choose Google Tag Manager. Okay, and click on next and just save it. Okay, so now everything is good, and we can now make a test process to find whether our conversion tag is firing correctly or not. Okay, so for now I cannot use tag manager's preview mode because customer pixel is a sandbox code. That means debug view won't work. So when make a preview window, it will add a debug sign to your URL. So when it adds, then your sandbox code won't work. So you can you cannot use preview mode here in GTM, but you can use Google Tag as Assistant Legacy to check your conversion tracking is working correctly or not. Okay, so to do that, you can go to your website and download this plugin called this one, Tag Assistant Legacy. Okay, so after downloading this plugin, I mean Chrome extension, you can open and enable it, record it. Okay, and then you can refresh your page, and again you will see your Google Tag Manager code here, container ID and everything you can match. Then you can make a test process to identify if your conversion tag is firing correctly or not. So I'm going to select this one and buy it now. Pay now. Okay, so we have successfully completed our purchase. Now we can open your Tag Assistance Legacy plugin, and here you will see one conversion tracking. So basically I think this one, so you can match your conversion level. Okay, let me open my conversion action, and here let me check my, yeah, so this one uh start with JQ and ends with WO. Okay, let me verify that. Yeah, so JQ and WO, so it is firing. That means, so yeah, you can see the conversion value to 50 and the currency code is firing. Now, if you want to check your enhanced conversion is working correctly or not, you can even check here. So here you can go to URLs and click on this icon and scroll down. You must see EM if your enhanced conversion setup is correct. So here you can see EM, that means the enhanced conversion is active. So in this way, you can even check the enhanced conversion. Okay, so in this way, you can test, verify if your conversion tracking is working correctly or not. And yeah, you can follow the structure process to create your own conversion action using the Shopify's new customer pixel. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and see you again. Bye bye.